So your optional tutorial here is exploring NewsELA and sharing about how you can use it in the classroom. And so you're going to go into NewsELA, and so this here is newsela.com. Some people refer to it as NewsELA. It's kind of cringy, but all right. And when you are here in NewsELA, you're going to be selecting your own article, and I want you to notice how the articles are they're divided by subjects. You can see up here in the news: war and peace, money, kids, science, law, health, arts, sports, opinion, library, science, math, religion, philosophy, government, and economics. And the point of it is, or the point that I'm telling you, is that because you can use this in many of your classes, and it will help greatly regardless of what subject you're teaching. So what distinguishes NewsELA is that you can actually get articles at different levels, and then a really cool feature is here. If you see the ES, that means that it also has the articles in Spanish, and they're constantly updating the articles on a day-to-day basis. Dream jobs, math and science teacher, whoop whoop. Big question. I'm gonna click on this one. What makes the ocean so salty? And here is the great part about NewsELA. You can read this article at 790, 650, 530, 380, and what this does is it means that within your class you could have all the kids reading the same article but at different levels, as opposed to having kids who are struggling at a certain level or at a lower level not understand how to read what the other students are reading at the higher level. Now everybody here has access. If you have kids that are only being able to read in Spanish, you could also check it in Spanish, and you could see that the Spanish articles are also leveled, which is very cool. So what you are going to do for points here is you're going to choose any article that you want. You're going to read it at a couple of different levels, and so you can see the difference. And then you're going to be posting your article in your tech quest. So let's see, I'm going to go into my tech quest. You can click here on your spreadsheet to find out where it is, and you're going to see that we actually don't have an entry for NewsELA. So I'm going to go down to week, or to all the week 8 stuff, and it doesn't necessarily have to be in week 8 either, in case you already have it taken, but you're going to be getting let's say 15 points for this activity. So right here at line 53, I'm going to type reading an article from NewsELA, reading and reflecting on NewsELA. Got it. Yep. Boom. So it's going to be 15 points. I'm going to go ahead and get my article, and the way I do that is I click up here at the URL, I copy it. Make sure you do that. Don't do the screenshot, because you're going to lose the functionality on the screenshot. And you saw, what were we at? We were at TPE4, so we're going to go in here to TPE4. Go down a little bit. Embed. Paste. And I'm going to type in reflecting, or reading and reflecting on NewsELA. I'm going to make this a heading. No, too big. Make this a subheading. And then you're going to write a little reflection on it. So let's see, NewsELA is a powerful tool for differentiating instruction. Students can read the same article at different levels, and many of the articles are also available in Spanish. And then write a little bit more. Tell us about what it was like reading the articles at different levels, and voila, you've got your points.